And these are just 3 tips I would say that you would need to know, or that's going to help your business run smoothly, especially a smoke shop, which I run myself. I would say number 1 is your customer service. You know they saying when they say the customer is always right. Just try your best to make sure you make your customer feel appreciated, feel welcome inside of your business. They could have took their money anywhere in the world and they brought it to you. They giving you a hard time, just put your smile on. You try to make them feel better, to make them feel like them giving you a hard time is bad to them, because you're not even in that mood and you're just a great person all the way around. Number 2, I would say, is the way that you order your inventory. This is very, very important. You don't want to be stuck with a lot of stuff that you cannot sell or it's just not selling. So knowing how and what to order with your inventory is important. Take your time, go through your business, see what's selling, see what's not, and just figure out exactly what you need to be ordering a lot of and what you don't need a lot of. That's very important. It's going to save you a lot of money. So number 3 is promoting your smoke shop and not depending on your friends and family to just keep your business going. I know we all want our friends and family to support us, but it's not guaranteed, and I don't want you to get caught up on it. Make sure that you out here passing out flyers, you Facebook ads, whatever you need to do to promote your business, because they're not just going to walk through your door. Tobacco, everybody sells it and it's everywhere, so you have a lot of competition. So you want to make sure you standing out, you have some great prices, and you out here promoting your business to the T, so you stand out from any of your competition, and you're not focusing on who's not supporting you, and you focusing on who coming in your door every single day. Those are your target audience. Know who your customers is, and just focus on them and not who's not supporting you. But that's Kim from HOODRICH Smoke Shop, and I pray everyone has nothing but the success. Appreciate you for watching. You have a good one.